legally, you're still in an authorized period of stay because your I-94 reads another 2.5 years or whatever. So the good news is you are not accruing any unlawful presence in the United States while you're here. However, if you get terminated in H-1B status, the employer actually has an obligation to pay your airfare to your home country to actually fly you home, unless you're terminated for cause. Or, in the alternative, you could find another job. But the problem with that is the gap, as to how long that gap's going to be. I think if that gap is more than 30 days, I would not be able to transfer, if you so will, from one job to another. You would actually have to leave the country and come back in with a new H-1B.
So that requires the whole application process over again?
You would have to do the application process over either way. Even if you change jobs, you do the application process over, because there's really no such thing as transferring the H-1B. It's the new employer who applies for a new H-1B for you. You just don't count against the numbers anymore. And when you do change jobs, the most important thing is that you do not quit the current job until the new petition is filed. Meaning, if employer A, if you are with employer A with an H-1B visa and you rather work for employer B, have employer B file your H-1B petition before you quit with employer A. Yes, sir. You can't stretch your head because that means you're raising your hands. And anything else?
For the wages, what happens if they're a commission basis? Like part of your wages for H-1B will be?
It's not going to happen. No. There has to be a salary. There can be a commission on top of that. There can be other benefits. But there has to be a wage, and that has to be the higher to the actual or the prevailing wage. You can't get around that.
Is there a minimum amount for the wage? Like, say, the wage must not go below a particular amount?
I'm not sure I understood it.
Like, say I get a job in a company and I'm applying for the H-1B visa. Is there a particular standard amount for the wage that mustn't go below that?
Yes, absolutely. It's called the prevailing wage. The Department of Labor will tell us specifically what the prevailing wage is, the lowest wage. And the prevailing wage, there are 4 levels, basically. And the 4 levels are determined, on which level you fall into is determined by the job description and depending on your experience. If you're just getting out of school, you're a level 1.